So basically you can see the consistency, and I added, as I was processing, I added about 20 more shakes of the sea salt in there. You go by taste. Some people like food a little more salty, some people like it less salty. It goes by your palate. But as I was saying, with live food, especially in this this pandemic that we're in now, you want to build up your immune system. So, you want to be eating living foods, not too much cooked food. As one brother had put it, in one of those infomercials, he say, live food, live body, dead food, dead body. So, just by eating living foods, you can heal yourself of many diseases. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna put this contents in the bowl, and I'm gonna put the rest of the contents into the processor and finish that up. Okay, so we'll be right back. So yeah, let me let you see. So this is the consistency here, and you're gonna make meat patties out of this. Okay, and they're very delicious. All right, so we'll be right back.